This is low gear. That's what comes on when you're in first gear. Nice brand new bushings, brand new drum. So we're good to go there. All right. So grease piston. Always use your hands, folks. Always use your hands. Okay. Get the inside lip seal. Drop it in there. There we go. And drop your turn spring in, snap ring, and set it up on press. Keeps them from popping out of the groove. All right. So we're gonna do that with all these. All right. Then you're gonna take, this is the real good shit right here. What professionals use. This is Dr. Training's Assembly Lube. I think that's what it is. Assembly Lube. Who knows who bought that company? Either way. So you're gonna take it and you're going to fill these grooves in, okay? Just like that. You don't have to fill the entire groove in. You need to fill most of it, okay? Go ahead and do it all in every one of these grooves. Like so.
Some stories about eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, you have to hear for yourself.
The itching was constant throughout the day. It was flight, hot needles going in your skin constantly.
I would stretch in my sleep and not even realize I was doing it. I would wake up with bloody arms.
Head to myeczemastory.com to see Josh and Courtney's full stories and learn about a treatment they
really nice stuff.
take on the itch and rash.
So we got all the grooves filled with grease.
Turn your stories around.
My advice to anyone going through this is don't give up.
I hope that they realize that no matter what.
While I'm building,
Josh and
lay
Courtney's
it on the rag like that there. You got something cool to wipe your hands with, you don't have that grease film on your hands. You know what I mean? Even though I'm getting ready to put rings on it, that's still, I got it all over me right now. So okay. Now we're gonna put brand new rings on, make this thing really sweet, and then we're gonna air check it. Okay. So first ring goes on. Like I said, you want to make sure that scarf cut is on the right side. So you make sure when you put it in there and collapse it, it's nice and uniform all the way around. Okay. You want to do that with every one of them. Same thing here. What's up? This one will go in here. Okay, so low drum. All right, that feels nice. Feels really nice. Okay. So you can see that it's got that notch there. Okay. All right, so we got one more of those to go in. That notch will go down. All right. So notch down.
Hey.
Yeah.
Forky just called me up and said that Wendy's.
He's pregnant. Okay, compound drum assembly 62TE. All right, now next thing you're gonna notice. Okay, so you got this bearing here. All right, you got this bearing here. Sorry, you got to start a little way here. You got this bearing here. It's got a lip on it. Okay, that lip's gonna go down. Okay, make sure you grease it good. It goes down there. Then you've got your third gear hub. All right, that goes down. This one also has a bearing about it. So, alright, make sure it's clean. Make sure your stuff's not pitted and messed up. Slide it down over it. Careful with it because there's a plastic cage, it will bust. Alright, now, anytime you're putting this in, anytime any bearing, you can tell if it doesn't feel good that way, so you know it doesn't go that way. Alright, just note this. Alright, so you know it's going to go like that. So make sure you put your little grease. Alright, good to go there. Okay, now you go ahead and stack the clutches out. On this clutch set here, okay, it's going to start out outside spline, inside spline, outside spline, inside spline, outside spline, inside spline. Okay, and the last one you're going to come up with on top is going to be inside spline. All right, so we're going to stack it out. Here we go. All right, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, okay? Now, this is your pressure plate, okay? It's your pressure plate, okay? So you're gonna drop it in next. Okay, forget about that, okay? That thing. Go next. Now this snap ring will only go in one way, okay? If you try to put this in first, it won't work sometimes, or take it out first, okay? Because one's got the notch on the outside here. One has it on the lower side towards the drum. One has it towards the shaft, okay? So you want to put the one towards the shaft in first, all right? Now we're gonna put the snap ring here. Is a real pain in the ass. You can see I almost broke it, okay? Here's the deal. This thing doesn't have to go back in for reassembly. It doesn't have to, all right? This is just for them assembling it at the factory, okay? See, it broke, okay? So we ain't worried about it. You can put this together without it. Not a big deal, okay? And that, yeah. Okay, the last guy didn't get it apart. That's why the drums were tore up and he didn't check that, and that's probably what was wrong with it. Okay, so there's your stuff there. It's all ready to go, all right? Now what we gotta do is we gotta air check it. So you're gonna air check it to make sure what you've done is correct and that it applies, okay? So you really should only use 25 PSI. So I've been doing this a long time. Get you a gauge, you know, so you don't blow the seal out. Just be real careful with it and see if your stuff applies. You can hear it. That's nice. And that's a loophole there. You see, blow that grease out the top. Okay, so nice thump. Nice thump. All right. That's your compound assembly. Okay, 62 TE compound assembly. All right.